Hey guys, this is Mau, and in this video I will show you how you can create a Shopify store to use for practice. So let's get started. First of all, we have to search on Google Shopify. Okay, then you have to click on start a free trial. Then you have to put a mail. So I don't want to use any my personal mail, so I will use a temp mail here. Temp mail. The mail is loading, so it's here, and I have to copy this and just I have to put it here. Then I start free trial. Then I'm just starting. Anything you can set, just skip all. Just you have to select your country, then next. Then sign up with email. You have to put a password. And I am showing my password, so you can also, if you want, you can use it, no problem. That's it. So now I have to check my mail, then we will get a confirmation mail from here. Okay, then we have to confirm the mail from here. Okay, your email has been verified, so you have to go to your store, and you can see the store is almost ready. So now if you want, you can add some product to see how it looks, or also you can see now. Just click on here. Maybe something wrong here. Let's reload it. Okay, maybe there is any issue or anything. Return previous space. Okay, let's add a product to see where is the issue. Okay, or we can do also one more thing. We can change the theme. Okay, showing it's saying that shop has no theme, so we can select a theme from here. Let's do with a spotlight. So the spotlight is installing theme. When it's done, we will publish it. Okay, and you can use this store to practice your any kind of service that you want to practice for, like web analytics, Google Tag GA4, Facebook tracking, etc. as you want. Just it's done, added, just and just click on publish, then publish. Okay, now if you reload this, yes, my store is already working. So I have to add now some product here. Add product, anything, just if you want any service like Instagram follower, blah 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 blah, product picture, just anything, price 500, anything, 300, 1. That's it. Just you have to save it and you will see it here. Okay, you can see it. So now you can practice your tracking with this website. Okay, so in this video that's all, and see you on next video. Bye bye.